Good day, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. We will today look at installing Hyper-V on a Windows 10 64-bit machine. From there, you'll be able to install virtual machines like Windows, Linux OS systems. So let's get started. So first of all, you'll go to your left hand side to your search bar. You can search control panel and you can click on control panel there. From there we'll be looking for programs and features. Then you'll look for turn Windows features on and off on the left hand top side. You can install anything from here that's not installed, but for our exercise we'll select Hyper-V. You can click OK, and I'll get back to you in a few minutes. Okay, Hyper-V is already installed, and to complete this process we will have to restart your machine, and I'll be back as soon as we reboot our device.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Okay guys, everything is rebooted, the machine is up and running again. Just a quick note, please change in your BIOS, is there a virtualization setting that you need to enable. Each vendor is different, so please consult your vendor's website how to do the changes in your BIOS. I'm not going to show you this, as 90% of the new motherboards this setting is enabled. But anyway, let's carry on. You'll go down to your little powerful search bar. You'll search for Hyper-V Manager application. You'll click on it. Just a note, I'm going to keep everything straightforward as default as possible so that you guys can follow easily. Okay, so on your right hand side there's a new option. Otherwise you can go to File Action, New, Virtual Machine. You can read through this if you really feel like it. We'll go next. I'm going to create a Windows 10 machine for this exercise. So I'm just going to Win10-VM. I'm going to click next. Please select generation 2 as it supports UEFI based firmware, and it supports all the newest virtualization features. If you want to see the difference between generation 1 and 2, I'm not going to go into it in detail. You can click on more about virtual machine generation support here at the bottom. So let's click next. For our video, I'm going to keep our virtual machine at 1 gig. You can obviously change this to 2, 3, 5 gigs if you really have to, if you've got enough memory. Please remember it uses your hardware memory to utilize the virtual machine. So from here, I'm just going to unselect dynamic memory, as I want to keep it at 1 gig only. Let's click next. On your connection side, you can use default switch. On the later stage, I'll show you guys how to create your own network NIC or virtual NIC in Hyper-V. Let's go next. From here, you can create your own virtual disk, your own VHDX file. You can use an existing hard drive disk, or you can attach it later. For our video, we're going to create a brand new one. I'm going to assign 50 gigs to it. You can assign the maximum to 64 terabytes. You can click next. I already downloaded my ISO file. I will show you guys on a later stage how to download an ISO file from Microsoft website. So let's select Install Operating System from bootable image. You go browse. Here is my ISO file that I downloaded. I'm going to click open. I'm going to click next. Little summary, you can read through it if you really have to, and we'll click finish. And Bob's your uncle. You can right click and say start, connect, or change settings. So I will go into more detail in my next video regarding this, but for this exercise it's just how to install Hyper-V Manager and how to create a virtual machine. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon if you want to get notified as soon as I upload a new tech video. Thanks for tuning in and see you later. Cheers.